What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's another day in the life, and today we have a busy day. We still gotta finish this compacting, and then we're going on to the framing and to the pool, and we got cement today. Finally, a week later, we finally got cement, so we're gonna finish that today. So it's gonna be a fun day at work. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see y'all when I pick up the camera. What's going on, everybody? It's lunchtime. I told y'all my mom was cooking yesterday. Ooh. About to boil some tacos. We all gonna eat. It's already been a day. My head hurts. I smell gasoline all day. My arm is hurt. But we're gonna keep going. Ooh. Shout out my mama. I love you. Good, everybody. It is currently the day of recording. It is day 30. This video is day 30. Alright, and I was editing right now. Look, I'm working. I was editing right now, and I saw that I didn't really like what I was saying, and I felt like day 30 felt like it needs to be a special. Like, we're already a month into this vlogging series, and my face is so dark. Hold on. I was saying we are 30 days into our vlogging series. A month of daily vlogging is crazy. Like, I feel like I was just saying, oh, we just finished 1 week like a week ago, but now 30 days, baby. And I want to say that, my god, my hat, there we go. Yesterday, the day I did film the day 30, the original day 30, I was going through a lot of stress because, if you guys don't know, I do work construction, and I haven't told you guys this yet, but right now I'm like a person in charge of getting the job done and everything. So, you know, my job is to bring people to work and to make sure the work gets done. And so yesterday was a little stressful day. You know, I have to deal with my clothing brand, I had to deal with my vlogging, I have to do all this, plus I have my job, and then I have responsibilities in my job. So I was just really stressed out yesterday. I didn't really want to do anything, and you know, I recorded something for you guys, but like I said, I was editing right now, and I didn't like it at all. Like, I just felt like my energy was off, so that's why we're doing it right now. But woosah, sometimes you gotta say woosah. Look, I'm at this beautiful park. I swear, like, if I die, you're gonna find me at a view. That's where you're gonna find me. I swear to God. Even though this is a park, like, I love seeing the greenery. Like, everything is just so beautiful. But yeah, we are on the road to be someone, and you know, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of patience, it takes a lot of stress, and I feel like I've been doing a good job about stress, like not stressing out. So yesterday was just one of those days, but it's day 30, and I could not go out like that. I could not have a day 30, a milestone in our vlogging series, and just not really bring the energy. So I hope you guys enjoyed. You know, I'm about to go back to work and show you guys day 31. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.